GeoAI. Geo means Earth. Let's start simple. So we try to collect maps, satellite images from the Earth's surface, as you can see here, and try to describe our planet. Now, what happens if we combine this something with powerful like AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, as you can see here, neural networks which are interconnected, and we try to learn or train the machine that can launch the pattern, train, and give a meaningful result which can be used to take an informed decision. So now we want something interesting, maybe spatial or temporal pattern or trends. So as you can see here, so the flood simulations which we get from the using Geo and AI that helps the machine or the computer to understand a spatial pattern data automatically. So as you can see here, there is a flood or the water in a blue color which is inundated agricultural landscape. As you can see here also, same the urban area which have been inundated, and some part with higher elevations it remains without flood or without water. So using Geo plus machine or the models, we can get an informed decision like this flood map or flood simulation. And imagine doing this manually, it would take even a day, hours, but using Geo and AI, we can simplify this process and try to see the flood simulation or the river change or many other examples. So try to follow this. We try to learn GeoAI using hand in this series.